Using Karnaugh map to simplify the following Boolean functions. Function of A, B, C, D. Min terms are 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. Don't care terms are 0, 8, 9, 13. Implement the Boolean function f using not more than 2 NAND gates. This is the question. So we have to plot the Karnaugh map A, B, C, D 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are the decimal values. Now we have to fix the min terms and the don't care. So don't care I have represented by pi symbol. This is for don't care. So the min terms are 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. That is 2, 4, 6, 10 and 12. So these are these terms. And the don't care terms are 0, 8, 9 and 13 given in the question. So now we will do the grouping. So first these these two ones and these two ones I am grouping first. So you will be getting A bar and D bar. Next these 4 terms are grouped together. So you will get A and C bar. And lastly all the corner terms, because this one is left out, all the corner terms are being grouped. So you will getting B bar, D bar. First we will draw the normal diagram. So first you draw A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar lines. Now we have 3 AND function and 1 OR function. So 3 AND function. So that is A bar, D bar first. Second is AC bar, A, C bar. Last one is B bar, D bar. So B bar and D bar. So these are all connected by OR function. So 3 input OR gate. This is step 1. Now what you do for step 2 is the AND gate can be replaced by 2 NAND gates. First NAND gate and then an inverter. So this bubble and this bubble gets cancelled. You will get AND gate. For OR gate what you have to do is, I have used 2 input OR gate. If you have C OR function replaced with the AND gate, there is no bubble, so insert a bubble. Input side you don't have a bubble, so insert a bubble. Now this bubble is nothing but a NOT gate, so this is the NOT gate and you have the NAND gate as it is. That is, this is the diagram used for realization of OR gate using NAND gates. So the next step, A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. So this is nothing but a NOT gate using NAND gates. The 2 inputs are shorted. If 2 inputs are shorted, the output will be complement of the input. That is, if this is A, this is going to be A bar. If this is B, this is going to be B bar. So to realize a inverter, the inputs must be short circuited and connected to that line. So this combination is nothing but our AND gate. Just now I told you we have 3 AND gates and it can be replaced by like this. So that's what we do here. It has been replaced like this. And in the place of OR gate we have 3 inputs. So OR function means you have to introduce a AND. There is no bubble, so you put a bubble and we have 3 bubbles. Okay. So this portion is AND gate and this portion is OR gate. So we have 3 inputs. So 3 inverters, but 3 bubbles. It's a NOT gate and once again an AND gate. You will get the required function Y. Okay. Now these 2 bubbles gets cancelled because it is in series. So these 2 can be cancelled out. These two. So the input can be given directly to this NAND gate. no need to connect these two. So in the next diagram, what you do is, without using this 2 gets cancelled, you directly connect with this NAND gate for all the three combinations. So if you see, final answer will be 1, 2, 3 and 4 NAND gates, apart from these 4 NOT gates, because this is at the input side. The function we need here is this one. So we have realized the circuit diagram using only NAND gates. So after simplification, you will come to know that these 2 can be eliminated. All the 6 inverters can be eliminated because these 2 are connected in series, these 2 are connected in series, and these 2 are connected in series. So that's all about realizing this function using K-map and with the NAND gates. But in the question it has been asked as 2, but I have designed with 4 NAND gates. I don't know whether the question is wrong or not, but as far as my design is concerned, it works correctly using 4 NAND gates. Thanks for watching this video. Nandri.